We're at Mapperwell Library and we've been writing poems around the idea of form, because people like to write poems, but sometimes they get a bit nervous of what the poem should look like or what shape it should have. So today we've been trying different forms. So we've done a sonnet, and we've done a haiku, and we've done a limerick, and we've shown them a villanelle, and then at the end they wrote a group pantoum.
Just been to a fabulous poetry workshop with Ian McMillan. Been really fun. We've written some poems, we've learned about poetry forms. It's really important just to harness people's creativity, give people an opportunity to share and be really inspired and kind of just stretch people a little bit to do new things. It's been really fun, really supportive, and Ian is an absolutely great tutor.
This is the third year of the Barnsley Book Festival, and for me it has become part of the Barnsley calendar. People look forward to the next book festival, they want to be part of it, they want to do that thing that we always hoped would happen, where they go and see a writer, but they also take part in workshops. They go and take their children to things, but then they go themselves. And so it feels like, it's part of the backbone of Barnsley's what they call cultural offer, is the book festival, and long may it live.